James Webb Telescope is an ambition of the science and technology to explore the universe. James Webb Telescope is a replacement to the retiring Hubble Telescope, which was serving for Earth as a third eye into the Earth into the universe. It was laid just around 500 kilometers away from Earth's surface. That means it was under the influence of Earth and having many obstacles to see the universe clearly. James Webb Telescope will resolve all the shortcomings that Hubble telescopes were facing. It is using the advanced and modern engineering technology. Hence, James Webb Telescope having a lot of peculiarities to be explained. Firstly, it is placed around 15 lakh kilometer away from the Earth. That means the almost 5 times the distance between the Earth and Moon. It helps the telescope to overcome all shortcomings that Hubbles were facing, like shadows of Earth and Moon and outer space waste and clouds that may hinder the viewpoint of Hubble. But a point where the Webb installed is known as Lagrange 2 L2. It's the point where gravity of Sun and Earth is balanced. It is a stable point where the object is not getting away from the Earth and Sun. Object will round the Sun exactly at the same rate of Earth does. There are 5 Lagrange points between Earth and Sun. The L2 is the point was selected by the scientists because it is exactly opposite the Sun, where there will be no chance of Webb telescope will be under the shadow of Sun and Earth. Consequently, the communication between Earth and Webb shall not be hindered. The main purpose of James Webb is to eyeing and capturing the distant image of stars and distant planets. It is also helps us to retrieve valuable information about the black holes, where the birth and death of stars being taken place. Webb eyeing the distance through the infrared light. Hence, it helps to identify the light that started at the time of Big Bang, which means the cosmic rays that started at the time of birth of universe around 1380 crore years ago. This throw light into the birth of stars on first generation that immediately took place after the Big Bang. Since the Sun is a third generation star, the information that is going to be retrieved by the Webb telescope will help us to understand how our universe had been formed, and let us hope James Webb will be a giant leap to a humankind in general.